Well, here we go. The Kohler video that I stuck up. You can check out the before. Although after seeing this one, if you haven't seen the before, you may not want to look. It was such a horrible mess. But as you can see, this tractor turned out very good. A little tender, loving care, and a little professional help from me. So, if you're interested in this tractor, give me a call. I'm on the east side of Cincinnati. And I'm sure anybody would like to have such a fine tractor. I've been cutting grass with it. It starts and runs and goes. And like I say, it turned out really nice. And if you saw the before videos, you can get a real good idea of what we've done here. And I guess we don't need to check. Maybe we need gas. Either way. This sounds real good. I shouldn't have choked it, but hey, you know what? Who cares? Good mower. Cuts very good. I like it. Hope you do too. My number's in the listing. Thank you for checking it out. Hydrostatic